Thank you, Brad. Well, our veterinarian, Dr. Joe, is here to answer your pet questions this morning, and he brought along this cute little puppy who loves belly rubs.
He does.
Hi.
That's a cute little puppy.
His name is Crush.
His name is Crush. They're all kind of named
you.
after like Orange Crush and Cola and all that or whatever, but he's got a brother and a sister. Nice little guy. He's actually about 5 months old.
Really?
He's not going to be huge, but he's going to get a little bit bigger than what he is. And you were saying before, we don't know what he is. It's kind of a mixed bag of nuts.
Yeah, I mean, he's a little bit of everything.
A little bit of everything. He's definitely some terrier, and sometimes when their nose starts to go short like that, someone tried a little pug in there. So, but just a nice dog. Need a little brushing. You know, he's going to shed a little bit of hair, but other than that, he's a very calm dog.
Yes,
so
he's very
he's a good
sweet.
One. Very good one. So.
All right, we'll show more of him in a second.
Absolutely.
First up, John asks, my dog is getting up there in age. Do the pet foods that claim to actually help joint pain, do these actually work?
Yeah, well, most pet foods that are formulated for joint pain do help. The ingredient works a little bit differently than a traditional pain reliever, and it works more to actually slow down the breakdown of the cartilage in the joint. And so I definitely, if you have osteoarthritis, I definitely would suggest a food like that. So. All
right, well, Sarah wants to know, and myself, I have this problem. My cat, well, my cat is 7, but her cat is 2 years old, and I'm afraid they're a little overweight. How much should kitty cats weigh?
You know, there's no exact objective answer to this question, but the average weight of most of them, honestly, is somewhere between like 6 and 12 pounds.
Really? Mine's 20,
yes,
so that's overweight.
Yes, I'm laughing because I've seen it. I'm like, yeah, he's a little bit bigger than that.
He's got the floppy belly.
But some of them are big. So, but it really has to do with kind of the body size, and a better indicator with what they call body condition score. Okay, and I'll tell people that honestly, you know, you ask your veterinarian and ask them if they're honestly overweight. I mean, that's a hard subject. Sometimes people don't want to go there, but it's definitely something that can be worked on. So
yeah, I'm working on it. It's a slow process.
We're getting there. So me too. I honestly.
It's hard sometimes.
It is.
Well, Kate asked us about one of her birds.
Yes.
Are there flea and tick sprays for my house that are safe for the birds?
I always recommend that the people, you know, read the label to be sure, but honestly, you know, get the bird out of the house, in my opinion. Birds are just more sensitive. They're a different species altogether. Talk to your veterinarian, though, about oral and topical products for your mammal pets, okay? Fleas and ticks don't live too much on the birds, but in my opinion, you know, don't spend all your money on these sprays. Honestly, go to the source, which is the animal, because eventually the flea always goes back to the animal and dies, and that's where you break the cycle.
Ooh.
So. Just a thought. I don't know all the conditions in her house, but that's the direction I would take. I would put her in. So
definitely. Well, good advice there. And if you have a question for Dr. Joe about your pets, you can post it on our Facebook page, KJRH TV. And if you are interested in adopting little Crush right here, you can call the Pet Adoption League. The number is right there on your screen. And if you want to learn more about Heritage Veterinary Hospital or see some other pets who might need good homes, you can visit our website, kjrh.com.